tell me granny dead, but if one no kill you make you stronger. My sister man a try to me out, but me a go on with the younger. Me hear the talk, but me no hands are dreaming.
And I'm a proud son of the next president of the People's National. I have to dig up Reverend Portia Simpson Miller. If it was not for her, I wouldn't be standing here as Member of Parliament for Northwest Manchester. I have to big her up and for the contribution that she has given to the People's National Party. When you want somebody to step forward, to finance, he step forward and he sits here and he calls another year of beauty and the power. Pull it up. Good time for you that we're talking about.
From the national to the parliament, it is progress time. Progress get ready. We are united and strong, and we are moving forward together.
We have a way we want the society to be organized. We have a way that we want to see education organized. And if God forbid, we have a way we want to see the prison organized. We have a way we want to see pushing and contracts organized. We have a way we want to see crime fighting organized. And we seek a party that best fits that way that we have in our mind. I am here to support Comrade Peter Phillips because he fits perfectly the way I want to see a society. So, in my little introduction, I'm saying simply this is the beginning of the end of the acceptance of the jail peace policy in running this country.
A united People's National Party cannot be defeated. I want to agree on three in favor, welcome all my colleagues who are here. We are here in our numbers.
The People's National Party is roaring and strong and ready to lead the people of Jamaica onward to our development. Good morning, comrades. Good morning, comrades. Good morning, comrades.
I accept this nomination today in the name of every Jamaican who believes in the possibilities of building a better and a fairer Jamaica with greater opportunities for us. I accept this nomination in the name of all the mothers who continue to struggle on the margins of existence, hoping for a better life for themselves and their children. I accept it in the name of every comrade from the grill to Moran Point who continues to believe in the mission of the People's National Party and who continues to struggle to eliminate poverty and inequality which has for so long scarred the face of our country. I accept it in the name of the landless who still struggle to own their piece of this rock, Jamaica. Our mission as a party began even long before the party. It was a mission that existed from the dawn of humanity when mankind believed that there could be a better and more perfect future for people living together. This mission will never end as long as we as human beings continue to dream of progress and of better possibilities for ourselves and for our country. With God's grace and your support, I accept your nomination to run my leg of the race in this high office. Let us go forward together to seek the better Jamaica, which has been the mission of our forefathers and mothers and countless generations. One love, comrades, one heart. Let us move forward together to progress.
Would rather see